Buying your first car as a student can either save your life or drain your wallet. So today, I'll show you the 3 smartest cars for students in 2026 that give you reliability, low cost, and zero stress. If there is one car in the world that students trust blindly, it is the Toyota Corolla 2022. This is not just a car, it's a long-term investment, a stress-free experience, and one of the safest choices you can ever make as a student. When people say reliable car, they are usually talking about the Corolla. Let's start with the biggest advantage, reliability. This car is known to last over 200,000 miles easily with proper care, which means once you buy it, you don't have to worry about changing cars anytime soon. That's exactly what students need, a car that works every single day without unexpected breakdowns. Now let's talk about fuel economy. The 2022 Corolla gives around 30 to 35 mpg, and if you go for the hybrid version, it can reach up to 50 mpg, which is incredible for saving money. Imagine saving hundreds of dollars every year just on fuel. For a student, that money can go toward books, food, or even entertainment. Another important factor is maintenance cost. The Corolla is one of the cheapest cars to maintain in the world. Parts are affordable, mechanics know it well, and repairs are simple. This means no surprise expenses, no stress, and no financial pressure. Now let's talk about safety. The 2022 model comes with advanced features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features are extremely helpful, especially if you are a beginner driver. Inside the car, you get a clean and comfortable interior. It includes a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a smooth driving experience. It may not feel like a luxury car, but it gives you everything you actually need. Here's the truth. This car is not built to impress people with speed or flashy design. It's built to protect your money, your time, and your peace of mind. If you are a student who wants a buy-it-and-forget-it car, the Toyota Corolla 2022 is the best overall choice. If you want something more stylish, more fun, and still practical, then the Honda Civic 2021 is your perfect match. This car is made for students who want a balance between performance, comfort, and looks. The first thing you will notice is the design. The Civic looks modern, sporty, and premium compared to most student cars. It gives you that confidence when you drive, and honestly, it just feels good to own. Now let's talk about performance. The Civic offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. It's not a sports car, but it feels powerful enough to enjoy every drive, whether you're going to college or heading out with friends. Fuel efficiency is also excellent. The 2021 Civic delivers around 32 to 42 mpg, making it one of the most fuel-efficient compact cars. That means you get both performance and savings at the same time. Reliability is another strong point. Honda engines are known for lasting a long time with minimal issues. Maintenance costs are low, and the car is built to handle daily use without problems. Inside the Civic, you get a more premium feel compared to the Corolla. The seats are comfortable, the dashboard looks modern, and the infotainment system is easy to use. Everything feels well-designed and user-friendly. Safety features include collision warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, which makes driving safer and easier for students. Another big advantage is resale value. The Civic holds its value very well, which means when you decide to upgrade later, you will still get a good price. Here's the key point. The Civic is for students who don't just want a car, they want a better driving experience. If you want a car that looks good, feels good, and still saves money, the Honda Civic 2021 is the perfect choice. Now, if your number one goal is saving money, then nothing beats the Toyota Prius 2020. This car is built for one purpose, to reduce your expenses as much as possible. Let's talk about fuel efficiency, because this is where the Prius dominates. The 2020 Prius delivers around 50 to 57 mpg, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in the world. That means you will spend almost half the money on fuel compared to normal cars. Think about it. If you drive daily, this car can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars over time. For a student, that is a huge advantage. Now let's talk about reliability. Toyota's hybrid system is extremely reliable and has been tested for years. Many Prius models have crossed 300,000 miles, which shows how durable this car really is. Another benefit is the smooth and quiet driving experience. The hybrid system makes the car feel calm and refined, especially in city driving. Inside, the Prius is very practical. It offers good space, a large trunk, and a functional design. It's perfect for carrying bags, groceries, or even moving between hostels or apartments. Maintenance is also affordable. Even though it's a hybrid, it doesn't require expensive servicing, and Toyota's reliability keeps repair costs low. Now let's be honest, this is not a stylish or sporty car. It's not built for looks or speed, but what it gives you is something more important: financial freedom. If you want the lowest possible running cost, the Toyota Prius 2020 is the smartest choice for students. So these were the top 3 best cars for students in 2026, each one perfect for a different type of student. If you want maximum reliability, go for the Corolla. If you want style and balance, choose the Civic. If you want maximum savings, pick the Prius. Now I want to know from you, which car would you choose as a student? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful car content. See you in the next video.